The first thing that you do is go to the adjust layer and select the hue saturation. Then by clicking on this icon, we can copy the area color that should be changed. Then we open the color area for a better result. After the all, we can scroll hue with a roller. And value done. In a second way, we are going to adjust layer and select solid color. Then choose the color that you want. Now click invert and selecting the area hole that you want to be changed. If you're using quick selection, also you can resize your area with Alt. When it's done, click the layer mask and press delete. After, right click on the tab and deselect. Then put solid color on color mode. And value done. The third way, select the subject that you want to be changed. Now go to adjust layer and select gradient map. Click on the gradient map setting and change colors like that. And value done. The fourth way, create a new layer, then select the subject. When it's done, select the brush and fill the selection with the color you want. Now deselect and set the layer to color mode. Well, you're done. Enjoy!